Hey, what's up everybody? Jason from Advanblack. Today we're going to be installing a carbon fiber center console for our gas tank for our 25 Road Glide. Alright, tools we're going to use today, very simple. It's going to be a 5/32 Allen wrench and a Torx 27 extended wrench as well. Alright guys, just when you start this, just go ahead and remove your seat. The first thing you're going to do is remove this bottom bolt right here, and that's going to be your Torx 27. All right, the second one is going to be the top bolt here, and that's going to be your 5/32 Allen. All right, when you get your center console kit, you're going to have to replace the rubber gasket on the side, on the bottom, and then you're going to take this one out here and replace this on the carbon fiber one. We're just going to get everything hand tightened to make sure it lines up correctly. All right, remember this is carbon fiber, so you don't want to crank it down where you're going to be cracking the carbon fiber. Just nice and tight, nice and snug. All right, there you have it, the center console installation. You can also tell by checking it out, we have some other carbon fiber parts on our website. Check it out.